morning, my dear children. How have you been? Yes, very good. Hope you are fine. So today's value is help others. You should help others. Today I am going to teach a grammar. The name of the grammar is prepositions. Repeat after me. Preposition. Before that, now I am going to show two things. You have to name them. Okay? What's this? So this is a ball. So what is this? So it is a box. Now tell me the position of the ball. So the ball is inside the box. Now tell me the position of the ball. The ball is outside the box. So here we are going to learn prepositions. Prepositions are also called as position words. A preposition is a word. It is a word that tells us where a person, a place, an animal or a thing is. So it tells us where a person, a place, an animal or a thing is. So tell me children. So nouns are nothing but it names a person, place, thing or an animal. So prepositions express more about the nouns. Okay. Prepositions are also called as position word. So let us see the example. So first one, the ball is inside the box. Where the ball is? The ball is inside the box. So it is a noun. Why? It is a thing. So it is a noun. It tells us where the ball is. So the ball is inside the box. Now the ball is outside the box. So here inside and outside is the preposition. So prepositions are nothing but it tells more about where a person, a place, an animal or a thing is. So these are the examples. The ball is inside the box. The ball is outside the box. So let us see few more position words. So prepositions are also called as position words. So the first one is above, below, up, down, upside, downside, before, after, between, next to, inside, outside, under, within, on, out, in, left, right, top, bottom, start, end, over, far, front, near, middle, finish, off, through, behind, around, beginning and beside. So these are the few more position words. Let us read it once again. Above, below, up, down, upside, downside, before, after, between, next to, inside, outside, under, within, on, out, in, left, right, top, bottom, start, end, over, far, front, near, middle, finish, off, through, behind, around, beginning and beside. So prepositions are nothing but it is a word and it tells us where a person, place, thing or an animal is. So prepositions are also called as position word. Let us see some more examples.
Okay children, so now we are going to see an activity for space. Okay, so we use certain words which describe where someone or something is. Let us learn some of these words. Okay, so first we are going to see top and bottom. So what does mean by top and bottom? See an activity. See, this fruit is top of the tree. Okay, so if I keep here means it is at the bottom of the tree. Okay, so this one is top and this one is bottom. The fruit is at the top and the fruit is at the bottom. Okay, you know the difference between top and bottom, right? Fine. Okay children, now we are going to see inside and outside. Okay, see the ball is inside the box. If I take it out, this is outside of the box. Okay, so this is inside and this is outside. Okay, you know the difference between inside and outside. Okay, right children. See children, next we are going to see on and under. Okay, see this woman is standing on the table. Okay, if it comes down, it is under the table. Okay, so this is on and this is under. The woman is standing on the table and the woman is standing under the table. Okay, so this is on and under. Okay, so if it is like this means this is under. Okay children, this is under the table and this one is on the table. Okay, fine children. Next we are going to see near and far. Okay, shall we see the activity now? See, this is cow. Okay, so the cow is standing near the tree. Okay, it is close to the tree. So it is standing near the tree and the cow is far from the tree. Okay, it is there is a distance between tree and cow. So it is far from the tree. Okay, so the first one is near the tree. This is near the tree. The cow is standing near the tree and the cow is standing for the tree. Okay, far from the tree. Okay children. Okay children, next we are going to see above and below. See, this is dog. Okay, the dog is standing above the box. Now the dog is standing below the box. Okay, so this is above and this is below. Okay children, fine. Next we are going to see before and after. See, here the animals are standing. The first one is tiger, next is dog and the next one is deer. Okay, so by using this we are going to learn before and after. By using this animal we are going to learn before and after. Okay, see the dog is standing at the center. Okay, and the tiger is standing before the dog. Okay, and this one is deer. The deer is standing after the dog. This is before and this one is after. Okay children, fine.
A preposition is a word that tells us where a person, a place, an animal, or a thing is. They always come before a noun or pronoun. In this video, we are going to focus on between, behind, in front of, and over. Let's see this one by one. Between. When there is something in the either side of an object or a person we are talking about, we use the word between. Or we can say something is in the center of two things or person. Let's see some examples. The dog is between two boxes. Two boxes are there and in between the dog is sitting. The house is between the two trees. Next one, behind. When an object or a person we are talking about is at the back of something else, we use the word behind. Example, the clown is hiding behind the curtain. Here, behind is a preposition. The dog is behind the box. The dog is hiding. The dog is behind the box. Next is in front of. When someone or something is ahead of another thing, we use the word in front of. Example, he is sitting in front of his computer. The dog is sitting in front of the car. Next is over. We use this preposition when we are talking about above or higher than something else. Let's see the example. The horse is jumping over the fence. The birds are flying over the house. Now, let's test your knowledge. Where is the cat? In the beginning, I asked you this question. Now, I believe you all are able to answer it. The cat is dash the box. Between, behind, or over. The cat is behind the box. Very good. Next one. Where is the cat? The cat is dash the box. Options are in front of, over, or between. The correct answer is the cat is between the box. Next one. Where is the cat? The cat is dash the box. Options are in front of, between, over. The cat is in front of the box. Next one. Again, where is the cat? The cat is jumping dash the box. Options are behind, over, between. And the correct answer is the cat is jumping over the box. I hope these 4 prepositions are also clear to you.
So this is for your home assignment. Complete page number 45, 46 and 51 in your semester 2 English textbook. You have to complete these 3 pages in your English textbook. Hope you understood what is preposition. We will meet in the next class.